The impossible sight. For 3 years, the world has only been 2 colors: gray and sand. Gray ruins of cities and endless deserts where forests once lived. That's why the moment I saw green on the horizon, I thought my mind was playing tricks on me. A patch of color in a lifeless world. At first it looked like a mirage, but as I walked closer, I realized something impossible was standing in the middle of the desert. A massive glass structure. A dome. A structure that shouldn't exist. The dome was enormous, easily the size of a football stadium. Its glass surface reflected the burning desert sun. But the strange thing was, the structure looked new, untouched by time. No cracks, no damage. Almost like someone had been maintaining it, which made no sense. Because for 3 years, I had not seen a single living human. The airlock door. At the base of the dome, I found a metal entrance. An airlock door partially buried under sand. A small control panel blinked with a faint green light. That meant one thing. The facility still had power. After all these years. I pressed the panel. For a moment, nothing happened. Then suddenly, the airlock door opened with a slow mechanical hiss. Cold air rushed out. Fresh air. Real oxygen. Something I had not breathed properly in years. Entering another world. The moment I stepped inside, everything changed. The heat of the desert disappeared. Cool, humid air filled my lungs. And in front of me was something I thought humanity had lost forever. A forest. Real trees stretched toward the glass ceiling. Thick green leaves covered the branches. Water flowed through small streams. Birds were flying overhead. For the first time in years, the world felt alive again. Plants from another time. I walked deeper into the forest, studying the plants around me. Something about them looked familiar. Then I noticed the metal tags attached to some branches. Scientific labels. Latin plant names. But the dates written on those tags shocked me. Some plants had a label that read, "Extinct species. Preserved." Others had notes like, "Last genetic sample," which meant the truth was far bigger than I thought. This dome wasn't just protecting plants. It was preserving Earth's lost ecosystems. The secret project. Inside the research building, I discovered something even more important. A massive underground vault. Thousands of sealed containers were stacked inside. Each one contained seeds. Seeds from plants that no longer existed anywhere else on Earth. Trees. Fruits. Medicinal plants. Entire forests preserved inside tiny capsules. It was a library of life. A backup system for the entire planet. The hidden problem. But then I noticed something worrying. The computer system started displaying warnings. Humidity levels dropping. External temperature rising. Structural stress detected in the dome's glass. Which meant the biodome wasn't permanent. Without maintenance, the desert would eventually destroy it. And when that happened, this last forest would disappear forever. A message from the past. Before leaving the lab, I discovered a final recording. A message left by the scientists who built the dome. The video showed a tired researcher speaking directly into the camera. He said, "If anyone finds this place, it means our world failed. But the seeds stored here can restore life. Take them, plant them, and rebuild the planet." Then the message ended. The decision. So now I stand inside the last forest on Earth. Outside this dome, the world is empty. Inside this dome,
life still survives. But the dome will not last forever, which means I have a choice to make. Stay here, or take these seeds and try to bring the entire planet back to life. So let me ask you something. If you were the last human alive, and you discovered a place like this, would you protect the dome? Or would you risk everything to rebuild the world? Because somewhere inside this vault are the seeds of Earth's future, and maybe humanity's second chance.